Para sa ulot na panahon, ito ang Pilipinas. Pinas in short. May papalapit na namang LPA. Liquefied Petroleum Association. Okay. Itong LPA na ito nag-cause ng rain. Rain, rain, cloud, rain, cloud, cloud, rain, cloud, 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 rain, upper cloud, lower rain, upper cloud, lower rain, 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 lower rain. Ito ang Love Island. Nakita nito no previous report. At ito ang Eden Mickey. You got it right. Pero may natuklasan kami. Ang Scarborough Shore ay inaagaw ng China. Kaya nagpadala sila ng battleship. Ito po ang mga battleship. Battleship. Ship. Ship, ship, ship. Ship, ship, ship. Gun, ship, gun. Gun, gun, ship, gun. Ship. Wave. Bigger wave. Smaller wave. This battleship can fire missiles. Kapatush! Missile, missile, gun, 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 missile, missile, gun, mataka. At yan ang mangyayari sa Pilipinas.